Hey y'all, Zach with East Coast Guns and Gear here again. Today we're talking precision rifles. We got a gas Mark 12 build here and a bolt action M24 build here. 223 5.56 and 6.5 Creedmoor. Let me know what you guys think. What do you prefer? Leave it in the comments. Do you prefer the gas rifle or a bolt action? Also, what do you prefer caliber wise? 5.56, 308, or 6.5 Creedmoor. If you guys want to see reviews on these rifles, let me know in the comments. I have a Mark 12 review on my page, and I have not done a M24 review yet. Like and subscribe to follow for more videos.